Mallory with Norwalk Easter Public Library, and our current take-home storytime theme is art. So we are going to sing a song about painting. So first, you need to get your big can of paint and stir it. Are you ready to stir the paint? This is the way we stir the paint, stir the paint, stir the paint. This is the way we stir the paint so early in the morning. Okay, the paint is all stirred up. Now we gotta get our paintbrush and dip it in the paint. Ready? This is the way we dip our brush, dip our brush, dip our brush. This is the way we dip our brush so early in the morning. Okay, we have paint on our paintbrush. Now we get to paint. Ready? This is the way we paint the paper, paint the paper, paint the paper. This is the way we paint the paper so early in the morning. Oh, it's taking a really long time to dry. Let's blow it dry. Ready? This is the way we blow it dry. Blow it dry, blow it dry. This is the way we blow it dry so early in the morning. Okay, our painting is done. What did you paint? Well, I am sure it looks great. Now let's put it in a frame so we can hang it on the wall. This is the way we frame the picture, frame the picture, frame the picture. This is the way we frame the picture so early in the morning. Oh, beautiful. This song is about lots of different ways that we can make art. We're going to start with painting. Ready? The paintbrush on the paper goes swish, swish, swish. Swish, 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 swish. The paintbrush on the paper goes swish, swish, swish all day long. Okay, we're done painting. Now let's draw with a pencil. The pencil on the paper goes scritch, 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 scritch. Scritch, scritch, scritch. The pencil on the paper goes scritch, scritch, scritch all day long. Okay, let's scribble with some crayons. My crayon is orange. What color is your crayon? Okay, ready to scribble? The crayon on the paper goes scribble, 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 scribble. The crayon on the paper goes scribble, scribble, scribble all day long. But we don't have to use paper. We can make a sculpture with Play-Doh. Let's play with the Play-Doh. Ready? The Play-Doh on the table goes squish, 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 squish. The Play-Doh on the table goes squish, squish, squish all day long. I especially love Play-Doh because you can make lots of things with it. It has different interesting textures, and squishing it really helps strengthen finger muscles, which is really helpful later when you're trying to hold a pencil. I will put a link to my favorite Play-Doh recipe in the notes too. Thanks for making art with me today. Bye!